Good morning, my name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. New day, new candles, no financial advice. Let's go. Yesterday, Mr. Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Fed of the United States, has testified in front of the Congress and basically blasted all hopes for this year concerning a reduction in interest rates. The markets have reacted in a bearish mode. As you see here in the summary, all core markets have been trading in the red. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart because that is the most important chart for us. Basically, on the 1 week chart, the core level is still the $23,000 level. This is where the 3-period moving average is preparing to cross down the 7-period moving average. We are basically halfway through the week, but it is very important for the bulls to trade Bitcoin here above 23 in a confident way if they want to avoid this bearish cross of the two shorter moving averages. If the trading of Bitcoin's price continues in this level under $23,000, then by the end of the week we will have a confirmation of a bearish cross between the two short period moving averages, which in the consensus position trading system will indicate a reduction in the allocation to the Bitcoin market. If we take a look at the oscillators, then what we see is that the RSI is clearly losing momentum. It is already under its short period moving averages and it is just slightly above 50. So the momentum seems to be fading here on the weekly chart, and my momentum oscillator, the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, has been leaning down since the middle of February, and right now it is preparing to cross under its long period moving average. So on the weekly chart, the momentum is still rather okay, but it's weakening, and the current movement of the moving averages is preparing consensus traders for reduction in the allocation to the Bitcoin market. Let's take a look at the 3-day chart. 3-day Bitcoin chart, what we see here is that here 3 candles ago, the 2 short period moving averages have performed a bearish cross, which for those who are trading this time frame is an indication to switch from the long 3 position allocation to the long 2 position allocation. And what we see right now is that both of the short period moving averages are descending and only the long period moving average is ascending. This is a good sign because it shows still a bullish trend in the market, but its value is coming up at around $20,800 currently. Right now, this is a very important level to watch for consensus traders, because if the 2 short period moving averages cross down the long period moving average, that would signal an exit from Bitcoin positions on the 3-day chart. On the other hand, however, this $23,500 zone is the zone which the bulls should be able to trade over if they want to retain the bullish trend structure on the Bitcoin market. And this is the level to trade through if they want to turn the 2 short period moving averages into ascending mode again. If we take a look at the oscillators, then the situation is not that peachy here. RSI is clearly moving down. It is under all of its exponential moving averages and it is nearing the 50 level. Basically, the last hope here for the bulls is this trend line. The RSI will meet up with this trend line somewhere here around 50. If this trend line would not hold, then this uptrend in the momentum, which we have been seeing on the Bitcoin market since middle of November, will be fading away. My momentum oscillator, the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, is leaning down and is in absolutely bearish territory. So we have a slightly bullish trend structure with the short period moving averages still above the long period moving average, but momentum is leaning down and the 2 short period moving averages are leaning down. So the bulls should clearly intervene here. I would say this will be a very important level here around $21,500. This has been a top here. This has been resistance here. This has been support here. We will see how price will react this time when it is nearing this level. Let's go down to the 1-day chart and see what we have here. 1-day Bitcoin chart. The news here is that for the first time since basically January the 2nd, the Chartpunk trading system indicator has given us a red candle yesterday, which is indicating a bearish momentum confluence on the daily Bitcoin time frame. What we see here is a complete bearish trend structure of the consensus moving averages and a bearish momentum indicated by the Chartpunk trading system indicator. So on the daily time frame, currently there is no indication to hold any Bitcoin positions. If you trade the daily time frame, then currently that is your situation. This was was the place where you started to reduce your allocation to the Bitcoin market when still in bullish territory. The 2 short period moving averages have crossed down, and then here at around $23,000, the trading system signaled a complete exit from the Bitcoin market. So if you are trading the daily Bitcoin time frame, then currently you are not advised to have any long allocation based on the Consensio position trading system. If we take at the oscillators, then what we see here is that the RSI is clearly leaning down, momentum is fading away, RSI is way down in bearish territory under all its exponential moving averages. This is not looking very good, and the Chartpunk momentum oscillator has started to lean up. This is some hope for the bulls, but it is also still in a very bearish territory. So in the short term, 1-day Bitcoin chart, we currently are seeing a highly fading momentum. The hope here for the Bitcoin bulls is the following. Here, if the price can take an angle up, if the price can bounce from somewhere here, then we will have a hidden bullish divergence in the movement of the RSI, which could be a trend continuation signal, but it is not there yet on the chart. In order to have this signal, we would need a clear bounce from here in the price action and also in the movement of the RSI. So this is just hopium. This is not yet on the charts, but if we see something like this, that would provide us hopes for a bullish trend continuation on the Bitcoin market. That's it for today, folks. I hope you are enjoying these daily short Bitcoin market updates. If that is true, then please like this video and please subscribe to my channel and come back again and watch the next video. Happy trading. Have a great day. Bye-bye.